Let me show you what you don't have on the free version, and that's Explore. And again, I don't have the free version, so you can correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think you have the ability to create a custom GPT. So I'm just going to click on Create up here in the upper right-hand corner. And this is where I actually make one. So right here on the right-hand side is where I create. And over here on the left-hand side is, I'm sorry, this is where I configure. So let's say I'm going to name this P&L review. You can see on the left-hand side, I'm making it. It's creating it on the right-hand side. If I want some quick buttons, let's say, here is my P&L. You can see I'm creating a button on the left-hand side. So whenever if I keep this and use it as a repeatable prompt, I just click on here's my P&L and upload the P&L. But this is what's really unique about this is now I can upload files that it uses as a knowledge base. And also I can put in custom instructions that each and every time that I use this Chat GPT, it acts upon those instructions. Remember the role that I talked about a moment ago? You are a multifamily P&L review specialist. You don't let anything slip through the cracks. So, I mean, you are a multifamily P&L specialist. You don't let anything slip through the cracks. You catch every detail, and you've been doing this for over 25 years, and you've helped thousands of property owners save thousands of dollars every single year because of your attention to detail. So all of these instructions that I put in there, it will now save if I save this and use this as a repeatable prompt. And what what happens over time is it learns your situation, and then when I'm not going to save this, but I'm going to back out of this. I think it's going to ask me if I want to save it. You just put it over here and save it as one of your prompts. You guys follow me? Yes. This superhuman on the fly prompt is the one that someone shared with me that I will gladly share with you. And it says, I'm ready to build a prompt. So if I click on that, it's already behind the scenes. It already knows. What do you want to do? What's the plan of frustration? What's the pain or frustration you're feeling right now? The thing that made you say, okay, I need an AI to help me. Is it happening at work, your business? And you just start having a conversation with this thing. And by having conversation back and forth, it's eventually going to say, okay, I'm done. Here's your prompt. You click copy, you open up a new conversation, and you paste in your prompt and begin your conversation.